Okay, first of all, I'm just going to show you how to make a deposit live in this OKX trading platform. All right, this is for those that have deposited and have traded up to some amount and then made some profit using their signals, and then they want to make their withdrawal. So this video is for you. All right, and also it's for those that want to make a deposit. All right, it's for those that want to make a deposit. I think I'm even going to show you how to make a withdrawal for in the next slide, just to make sure that this video doesn't get too long. Okay, so to make a deposit, there are two options in making a deposit right here in the OKX trading platform. You can deposit through crypto using the TRC20 or the USDT. Like, you can deposit using the ERC20, sorry, and the USDT. Okay, so you click on this section right here. Normally it will always take you to this section. All right, by default, here in this app, here is the app. Okay, by default, here is the app, here is the interface. Okay, so you click on this place right here, this profile, you click on it, it's going to take you to this section right here. Okay, so what you do now is this: any money that you are depositing into this OKX trading platform is going to be converted to USDT. Okay, even if you are depositing from your local bank account or you are depositing from TRX token, is going to be converted to USDT. I hope that is clear enough. Now, if you click on this deposit button right here, let's just click on it. Let me just show you how this step works. And then it's going to take you to this option. You can see cryptocurrency and you can see legal tender. All right. So now this legal tender right here is for those that want to deposit using their local bank account. If you click on this section, it's going to take you to your deposit section. It's for those that want to deposit using their local bank. Okay. So let's just click on it. Let me show you something. All right, so now here is the legal tender option. Okay, now you can, like, if you're a Nigerian, you can deposit. If you just click on this logo right here, let's say if you're a Nigerian, if you just click on that logo, this is the amount. All these amounts are going to be displaying for you to deposit. So the minimum you can deposit into this platform as a Nigerian or as a Pakistani is from 5 USDT, which is, these 5 USDTs, I think 7.5 or so, or thereabout. But here you can see 10,000. So you can click on 10,000 and then you'll be getting 7.2 USDT right here. Okay, then just go ahead and click on continue. All right, you can see the available amount, which is 1,387. That is the rate, the current market rate. Okay, so here is the initial payment. Now it's going to load out this button for you. All right, so what you have to do now, you can see here the account number. An account number is generated for you. The account name is generated for you. So you'll be transferring to their OPay, to this OPay account using this account number, and then the name that will display in the transfer, it is Zipwave Limited. So I'm gonna be transferring 10,000 naira into this platform, and it's gonna be deposited automatically in this my wallet. All right, so after you have, don't forget, after you have deposited from your OPay into this platform, you have to come back here and click on I have paid. All right, don't forget. So let's click right here, copy this, then head over to your OPay, and then let's make the transaction. All right, so here is my OPay wallet. You can see ZipPay Limited has shown right here. So you just type 10,000 naira right there. All right, and then forget about this narration because we are not giving any remarks, so we just leave it like that and then click on confirm. Okay, all right, you click on continue. All right, you just ensure that while you're doing this, your network is very stable. Okay, click on pay, you insert your PIN, it's processing. Okay, the transaction is successful now. Okay, so you just click on done, and then you minimize and head back to your app. You head back to this Oktrading platform and click on I have paid. Okay, then as soon as you click on that I have paid, the system is going to confirm that you have paid, and it will show submitted successfully. All right, now it has been submitted. So let's head back to the platform. Just go back again, back. Let's just go back again. You can now see here now that the money has been deposited automatically, 7.20 USDT. You can see how fast the transaction is. All right, this is what I want you to know. I've just showed you live way on how to deposit into this wonderful platform. All right, so like for those of you that are new, this is a trading signal platform where you can trade and make some profit out of this Oktrading platforms company. Okay, so after you've traded and you've generated some profit, then you can withdraw. So in case you want to be withdrawing, I'm gonna be showing you how to withdraw in the next video, so that this video don't get too long enough. But meanwhile, for those of you that want to deposit using the token or cryptocurrency like TRC or USDT ERC, just click on this deposit button right here. Then as soon as you've clicked on this deposit button right here, let this be on cryptocurrency. Don't go over legal tender. All right, let it be on cryptocurrency section, and then you head back right here, deposit amount. You deposit the amount that you want it to reflect. The minimum you can deposit is 20 TRX, but here is you can just tap there. You can deposit more than 20, let's say 40. All right, then after you've typed the amount you want to send, then you click on submit. All right, so what you have to do is just click on this type. Okay, click on this type, then you click on either, if you want to deposit through, there are two methods right here. Like I said, if you want to deposit through USDT TRC20, you click on it. If you want to deposit through TRX, you click on it. Click on TRX. Okay, and then it's going to take you to this section right here. Now this is the minimum you can deposit, which is 50, and then you can decide to deposit 100 TRX or 200 TRX. Let's say for instance I want to deposit 100 TRX. All right, this 100 TRX here now, this is the rate. The trading rate is trading at 0.33 USDT. So you click on continue, and as soon as you click on continue, it's going to take you to this page. All right, this section right here. Now you can now copy this your address. After copying this your address, you can now go to you can now send it to anybody to send TRX to this 100 TRX to this address, or you can go to any exchange, buy TRX and send it to this address, or you can go to any Web3 wallets like SafePal or Trust Wallet or MetaMask and send TRX into this address right here. All right, and anybody that sends that tokens into this address, then the balance is going to be converted automatically in this platform, and it's going to be sitting. All right, so what you have to do is, as soon as you have sent the, let's say 100 TRX to this address, just come back here and click on confirm. All right, as soon as you click on this confirm button, the system here is gonna be generated, is gonna be credited into this OKX trading platform, guys. All right, I hope this video was very, very helpful enough. All right, so meanwhile, let me just walk you a little bit through on how to. I hope this video was very, very helpful enough. So Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for those of you that are new, and turn on the notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next videos, you will always be notified on time. Bye for now.